Hi there gamers, Shawne Vincent here. You're never gonna believe this what I just got. You are gonna love it because I got a special package delivery today. As long as I got my very own bed with it fits on it for it's got the video game bed set. Well, you'll see as I am gonna show you. Surprise everyone! This is my video game bed, and these are the video game pad controllers. As long as you just seen, and at least you've never seen this before. And I just got a package delivery today. As long as I'm quite lucky, and this is from China, as I ordered already. And this is a queen size bedding set. And so is the pillowcases. Now I'm going to show you a whole thing as long as you just seen for this way good speaker controls for classic of 80s, 90s, 2000s, and 2010. You'll see. See, these are the video game controllers. It's all you just seen for the queen size bedding set. And it's got old school NES controllers. It's got GameCube controllers, Sega Genesis, a Wii remote, the Xbox controller, classic of regular Xbox, a classic of PS1, a Xbox 360, a PS4, a Nintendo Switch, Famicom's it's a family computer, and there's a GameCube controller, a classic for Wii, a Wii U controller, Sega Dreamcast controller, a Super NES controller, and these are the pillowcases of queen size, all these controllers. Pretty astonishing, huh? As you can see, this bed is way perfect instead of mine, and I just can't wait to get some sleep after I play video games to doing our gaming live stream or the premiere, and I just gonna just start chilling in this video game bed all day long and all night long. And I'm just glad I just decorated perfectly to make my video game room just a gamer room. And at least I still am a great gamer. and a good thing is I just got these awards on here and that one for all these prize lists and 3 gold medals and official video game trading cards. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it for the excitement. As long as I'm quite lucky when I got this video game bed. And I just gotta keep it to I am a very special African American gamer, and as long as I'm black, and I just always do the right thing and make a good decision. Anyway, I'll catch it to you later. So, peace.